students. Welcome back in physics class today. Today we are going to revise the topic that we have done before holidays. As you already aware, last time before holidays we were on the chapter number 8, and these are the main topic in chapter number 8, that is motion, describing motion, measuring the rate of motion, rate of change of velocity, graphical representation of motion, equation of motion by graphical method. And last one was uniform circular motion. Before holidays, we covered 4 topics. So in today's lecture, we are going to revise these first 4 topics that we have done before holidays. So first of all, we'll see what is motion. Then we'll see the describing motion. In describing motion, we are going to cover the topic like distance, displacement, and measuring the rate of motion means we are going to cover the topic speed and velocity. So first of all, we'll see what is motion. So see the definition there. What is motion? Motion is a change in position of an object with respect to time or its reference point. Or you can say whenever the object is going to change its position with respect to surrounding, with respect to its surrounding, the body is said to be in motion. Lot of conditions are there. You can say motion is a typical described in term of displacement, direction, velocity, and acceleration. That we'll see. Next one is distance and displacement. What is distance? Distance is shortest path traveled by the body from initial position to final position. And what is distance? Distance is total path traveled by the body from initial to final. Distance is scalar quantity, displacement is vector quantity. Distance is always positive, but displacement can be positive, negative, or zero. As we already discussed last time also, distance is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means the quantity that having only magnitude. And displacement is vector quantity. Vector quantity means the quantities that having direction as well as magnitude. Magnitude means numerical value. Like what is going to cover 2 kilometer distance, the 2 is magnitude of that particular one. Then we having next one speed and velocity. So whatever the properties of distance that we having same for speed, similarly whatever the properties of velocity that we having for uh, related to displacement, you can say. Like see the definition. What is speed? Speed is rate of change of distance upon time. Yes, simply you can say is a distance upon time. Similarly, velocity is displacement per unit time. Then speed is always positive. Uh, that velocity may be positive, negative, or zero. You can say speed is scalar quantity, velocity is vector quantity that we discussed already in case of distance and displacement. So I hope you all understand this. If any doubt, you can discuss. I hope you all understand these topics. If any doubt, you can discuss with me. Thank you.